Okay, you guys, so in this video, it is raw emotions. I just finished watching Olivia from LIVS Life, Living with the Webs, and this is basically how I feel every time that I watch one of this girl's videos. So you are seeing raw emotions and the exact way that I have been feeling lately. Just about there and the fact that I'm jealous. So continue to watch and find out why. Bye.
And I flex, yeah. I got your girl up on my neck, yeah. And she say I'm up next, yeah. And she say that I'm the man, yeah. Going to the top, yeah, they gon' count me out. All this money coming in, yeah, that's my main.
Hey you guys, welcome back to today's vlog. Today is Vlogmas, what the fuck? Today is Vlogtober, day number 8. And I am just in the process of cleaning my kitchen. So we have this going on right now, cleaning the kitchenes. So that's what we're doing at this point. I don't know, you guys. I have been really disappointed with YouTube. I honestly do not know if I'm just gonna quit in the middle of fucking Vlogtober. It's like I don't want to do that, but then I want to do that. Do you know what I'm saying? I have just been so discouraged and just like bugged. Like, I feel like I have been given, I've just been putting a lot of time, a lot of energy into it, and I don't know if I'm reciprocating or getting anything back from it. Does that make sense? I know that I have made a lot of really cool, like, my friends here on YouTube and stuff, and we try and support each other with each other's videos and this and that, but I've just noticed lately that, I'm not even like really getting that. Like I spent yesterday probably about an hour and a half watching videos and commenting on people's videos. And then, I don't know you guys, I'm just like getting super duper discouraged. And then I go on people's videos like Olivia from Living with the Webs, getting thousands and thousands of fucking views because her life is in shambles. Like, it is so sad that this is what, like, YouTube has come to. And I'm one of them. Like, that's the even worse part, is I am one of those people that is watching this fucking shit show right before my eyes. Excuse my language, you guys. I'm just on one. I'm, like, in a mood right now. I don't know. Like, I don't know if, like, I don't know what it is. Maybe I'm supposed to be in my period right now. I'm not sure. But, I don't know, you guys. It's just crazy. Like, I was watching her video from yesterday, and it was, like, the day after she got back from going to go see Gerard. I guess she went to go visit him or whatever because she was all in her feelings, and she wanted to go be with her baby daddy. So she went and drove. I was shocked because somebody had wrote, you drove 16 hours. Is that really how long it takes to drive from Texas to Florida, 16 hours? I did not know that. I have like no clue. God, my shirt looks all grungy. Like it doesn't even look like a bright red white. Anyway, enough of that. I didn't know that. So, yeah, so supposedly not supposedly, she did a live while she was driving out there. And in that live, she was so rude to her supporters. I mean, like, just rude, you guys. She was like talking to people, like people were asking her just like random, you know, like questions, like, you know, what's making you go out there? Or do you really think that you should be driving, you know, and doing a live? Or do you really think that you should be driving when you're that upset? And she is literally like going off on people, like just so rude. And I'm thinking, that's the way you treat like people that are worried about your like health, that are worried about you? That's the way you talk to people, and these people support your ass? Like, wow. It just like blew my mind. It's almost like nice is not good anymore. To be actually kind and nice is like people just don't care anymore. Like, so freaking rude. I don't know, you guys. So it just like bugged me, right? So I'm there watching all her videos per usual because, again, and then she makes comments like, people are like, oh, what's up next for views? And she's like, you're watching me though, bitch. You're watching me. And I'm like, yeah, we're watching you. You're entertainment. Your life is drama. You are a joke. Like, you are a clown, boo. That's why people are watching you. Like, don't freaking act like that. Like, that is so disgusting. At one point, I feel like Olivia used to be super duper humble. And she was, you guys. She really was. she would talk about, you know, financially it was hard for them and they're just a young couple trying to get on their feet and this and that. And I would really respect that. Not in the sense that, you know, I'm all super young trying to get on my feet, but I really respected the fact that she always kept it 100. And now she's keeping it 100, but she's just being so like dishumble. I don't even know if that's a word, but she's not being humble at all. When you tell people like, that's why you're watching me, I'm gonna get my coins, like to me it's just so disgusting. And then here we are giving this broad more money. Like for me, at this point, if I continue to do this, which I don't even know if I'm gonna post this video because it's kind of negative. I just feel like I'm just tired of it, you guys. My most viewed videos are the videos about that fucking shit, about her. Those are my most viewed videos. Why? Because her life is a train wreck. And people have opinions, and we want to know if our opinions are the same as everyone else's, right? We want to know if our opinions match up. And for the most part, it's funny because either you're Olivia Sheep, like you're kissing her ass, or you cannot stand this girl and you're sick of the way that she is behaving, and she just contradicts herself. That's all. One day she's talking so much shit about her baby's father, and the next day she's like having fucking lunch with his ass. Do you know what I mean? It's just so, you just never know what you're gonna get with her. And I think that is where that's where like us watching her comes into play, because we just never know what we're gonna get. So I don't know, you guys. I really don't know what I'm gonna do. I don't know if I want to continue this. It just sucks, you know? I love the fact that I have these videos that I can look back on and we can remember like old memories, and I just like that. And I love the fact when I get real true supporters that tell me, I love your videos, Veronica. Like at work, I'll have people come to me and be like, I watch your videos. And I could feel my face getting hot and embarrassed. And I'm like, you do? Oh my God, thank you so much. I appreciate that a lot. But I get like embarrassed, you know? But it's like for that reason, for those people is the reason why I want to continue YouTube. Because like, it's fun. I enjoy it. But then I think to myself, like, I'm taking all this time editing, always bringing out the camera, filming, this and that. Really? And sometimes, you know, it's almost like, for what? You know, like, I just feel like I've been doing this for, I think it's going to be a year now, like, consistently. It's going to be about a year. And I don't know, my channel really hasn't grown that much. I may have picked up, like, I don't know, like 800 subscribers in this time. I'm really not sure. I don't even know if it's been 800. I say that because, you guys, back in the day, I used to do YouTube, and I would do YouTube videos. So I started with about 2,000 subscribers, or maybe, I think I started with about 1,500 subscribers. Okay, so I've definitely picked up more than 800, but still, I started with about, 1,000, I want to say about 1,500 subscribers. So when I started last year, I had those subscribers already there, because at one time when I was doing YouTube, I had 5,000 subscribers. And that was back in the day, like in 2011, 2012. And it wasn't saturated with so many people that did like, God, I look awful. It wasn't saturated with so many people that did makeup tutorials. So that's why I did kind of decent when I would do makeup tutorials. That's why my channel grew. And I was super consistent, you guys. I was always posting like Disney looks, and I don't know. I was just really, really consistent. I was really trying to grow my social media at that time. And then I just kind of like fell off. I just worried more about like family and, you know, getting my dream job, which obviously is at MAC, and that is my dream job. I'm not bitching about that at all. It's one of the better things, one of the best things in my life, next to Nate and my boys, obviously. But I don't know. I don't know if I'm just like, I don't want to lose contact with my friends on YouTube. certain people I've gotten really close to. I'm not going to name names because I don't want to hurt anybody's feelings, like if I didn't say their name. But you guys know who you are. You ladies know, my day ones from the very start, who you guys are. And you guys know that I just adore you guys to fucking pieces. You guys know that. And in that sense too, I don't want to stop YouTube because I don't want to lose my contact with you guys. I really don't. But in another sense, I'm like, do I really want to still share videos? Do I really want to put them out there? I don't know. I'm almost like to the point where I'm like, I want to grow so much and I'm not growing as fast. And that sounds awful. I know. That just sounds like I'm being greedy and like I'm doing it for the wrong reasons. I'm not trying to make money off YouTube, you guys. I'm really not. It has nothing to do with that. I'm not trying to see who gets the most comments. But don't get me wrong, it feels good when your videos get a lot of views, and it feels good when you get a ton of comments. You guys, please, just be honest. I mean, be honest with yourself. If you're trying to say that it doesn't, then I have to call you out. I have to call bullshit that you're lying. Because it does. That's why we do this. We love to hear the feedback. We love to know that you enjoyed what you watched. Like, who doesn't like to get compliments? Do you know what I mean? Who doesn't love that? So I think I'm just being 1,000% transparent right now. And I'm sorry if it's coming across like I'm expecting too much, or I'm being like greedy in a sense, or I'm just not being patient. I don't want YouTube to feel like a chore in a sense. Does that make, I don't know, you guys, I don't know. And it doesn't. At this point, it doesn't feel like a chore. So that's what makes me want to continue doing it. That's what makes me not want to stop. But when I see people like Olivia getting hundreds of thousands of views for craziness, which I'm a part of. That's the sad part, you guys. I really have no room to talk. I could see if I totally boycotted her and stopped watching her shit, then I can probably say something. I would have like room to talk. I would be able to say something, right? But the fact that I still watch her BS makes it worse. But again, I'm just being 100% real and transparent. I'm not lying on anybody. I just want to be real. I just want you guys to know that I am that I'm just not bullshitting in this video. That's all. I'm not going to sugarcoat anything, but it does. It makes me super duper angry and almost jealous at the simple fact that she is getting serious payment from YouTube, serious views from YouTube, and she has a huge following, not just for people who don't like her, but people who adore her, people who would probably send her their shirt off their back type thing. Those are the type of followers, some of the followers that this girl has. And she's so like just rude and cocky and just downright mean to people sometimes. And it just depends on her mood. Sometimes she acts real sweet and real happy with people. And those are the times that I'm like, oh, she's changed. You know what? I think I like this girl. And I'm gonna give her another shot and blah, blah, blah. But then I'm like, no, she hasn't changed. The only thing that she changed was her mood for that day. That was the only thing she changed. So she's just a huge contradiction, and I don't know, you guys. Let me know how you guys feel. What are you guys thinking? If anybody even watches this, who knows? Who knows if anybody will even see this, or if you guys will watch the whole thing. I don't know. But if you guys do, will you guys please answer me this? What are your guys' opinions? How do you feel? Do you feel like I'm being a complete baby cry about this? Do you feel the way that I feel? What makes you angry in these YouTube streets? Holla at you, girl. Okay, I'm gonna finish, you guys. Bye now.